You're looking at how to pronounce this word that has two different pronunciations depending on the function of the word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English. Do you know how to pronounce those words? Well, you will. Stay tuned to the channel. The top word, let's say this word can have the function of a noun. This is the name of a bird, an animal, in which case it's said as dove, dove, as in the dove was flying in the sky. Dove as a noun. This word can also be a verb. It is the past tense of the verb to dive, in which case it is to be pronounced dove, as in he dove into the ocean yesterday. Yesterday, the Marine dove into the ocean. As the past tense to the verb to dive, it is said dove, while as a noun, as a bird, it is to be pronounced dove. Is that clear? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more confusing but correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.